I'm ready.
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready, Kimmy?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Okay. What's the butterfly there's a little boy on the moon?
Where was he?
There's a little boy on the moon.
On the moon. Oh, very nice. What is he doing on the moon? Why is he on the moon?
Because it's dark.
Oh, because it's dark?
Yeah.
So that's why he's there?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And let's take. No, let's take. One day there's a little boy. And then he takes the airplane to the house.
Oh.
And then we're flying, we're flying, we're flying.
It's flying?
Yeah.
Wow. How come he's flying? Oh, wow. Going through those pages fast.
And I find this parachute.
Oh, the parachute. That's what you're looking for. Oh, there it is. There it is.
One day there's the parachute to be in the house.
Where did he go?
Then he got shot. And then there's a little monkey with his tail. And then he did it and fly.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
My back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. It did it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That book is pretty big.
That book is pretty big.
Yeah, but you can do it.
But I can't do it.
Okay, I'll help you on this side. Go ahead.
Okay. One day, there's a little boy on the street. And then he got on the moon. And then Daddy's home. And
What? What did you say?
the end.
Oh, okay, thank you. Very nice story, thank you.